This is Galaxy V1 Flake, and it is the best Galaxy pigment in the world. You know how I can say that? Because on this channel, we have been testing and spraying Galaxy style pigments for years, and every one of them has come up short. But we actually developed this pigment with you guys. Remember when we didn't have a booth and we were showing you all sorts of different pigments to play with? We showed you 3 or 4 different Galaxy style pigments, and V1 was the winner by a mile. Now, I've seen it small scale, Gabe's seen it small scale. It's time to go full scale. I can tell you this, we have never gotten more requests to take an experimental pigment large scale on a car than Galaxy V1, and today is the day. So when you're looking for a Galaxy pigment, there's a couple things that you have to have, right, Gabe?
Yes.
You need sparkle. You need cosmic effects. You need some color. You need to retain the darkness of the Galaxy. And you have to have a little bit of mystery in there as well. It's the only way it works. And this has all of them. So this is going to be 25 grams a gallon, but we're going to split it like always. So we're actually going to be spraying a 12.5 gram per gallon load. So we'll get this mixed up. Now I will tell you, we don't always use ultra high gloss here on the channel because we want all of our projects to be relatable and easy to replicate. But this deserves ultra high gloss. The best way to really see a flake in all of its glory is in a high gloss finish, and that's what we're doing today. So we're going to get this mixed up. You can see a little bit of what's going on here. But don't be fooled when this goes down over that black base and gets the gloss on top. There's only one way to describe it, which is what?
It looks like a bunch of dancing stars.
It looks like a bunch of dancing stars. So let's show you this on the old stick of truth here. I don't even want to give you a preview because it's not going to do this pigment justice, but you can see a couple of those dancing stars there. I don't want to wait any longer. I want to get this down on the car. Do you have anything else to say?
No, I think I'm ready.
I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Galaxy V1 Flake on a full car. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Now, I know there's going to be a lot of people that want to spray this on their own cars. So in the description box below, you'll see links to complete car kits. It will include everything you need to get this job done. Now, I do think you're going to get the most impact using ultra high gloss as a finish, but if you want to use the traditional glossy top coat, there's a variant in the car kit for that as well. So take a good look at this car, leave a comment below, rate it for me 1 through 5, let me know if you love it or if you don't. Gabe and I had an absolute blast in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.